Hello, everyone. Hope you are doing well. So, again, we come to the same text with a different question. So, the direction for question is there is a passage below which is accompanied by a set of questions. We need to choose the best answer to each question. So, I hope you have read this text and understood it. Let's jump to the question's answer and question two. We need to understand each of the question carefully and analyze them. And out of that, we need to find out which of the option will be best or suitable to the question. Right now, look into the question. What does the question point out? What trait of the media is the author highlighting when he or she talks about the media's chronic ability? Right? Chronic ability. That is what it is pointed. What trait of the media is the author highlighting when he or she talks about the media's chronic ability? So the first option said inaptitude, second option said laziness, third option is called as racism, and fourth option is called as haughtiness. Let me point out each of the options. The first option is called as unskilled, unskilled, right? Second option is called as a laziness, that you know that somebody who delays to do the work or called as a not in a mood to do. Racism is called as a casteism, right? Or maybe color, right? Casteism. Haughtiness is called as a pride, right? Pride. So, on the basis of that, the passage uses the example of various journalists to show how the British mainstream media has been looking at the pro separation movement through their biased opinion. Through their biased opinion. Now, biased opinion. And has been unable to hear opinions beyond their echo chambers in Westminster Parliament. Consequently, if you look into it, the media has been treating the movement with concession and haughtiness. It is written, right? Concession, concession, con- condescension, and haughtiness. Haughtiness. Haughtiness, as supported by option 4, which is indicating as a pride. Ineptitude is called as a unskilled or a lack of skill, whereas the problem here is a lack of fairness. So it's not about a lack of skill, it's about what? Lack of fairness. Lack of fairness. Lack of fairness. So, and another thing is called as a means mm, another aspect which is pointed here is called as a laziness. So, which is reporting in this case, where the media is not interested to engage with the pro separation people, but this is more to do with intention than a effort, lack of effort, isn't it? Lack of effort, right? So, in that case, lack of effort, in that case, it will be also not the answer. There is no allusion to racism in the passage also, right? Racism which is pointed here. So we could not find out any symbol of that. So therefore, we find out the answer option 4 will be the correct to the text or correct to the question which is pointed. So inaptitude, lack of skill, laziness, which is called as a unwilling to do something. Racism is referring to color. So 1, 2, 3 are eliminated on the basis of the regions are called as a they are not unskilled, they are not they are willing to do so, and there is no symbol of racism. But yes, we find out the idea which is pointed here called as a consenting or consensual and haughtiness. These two are clearly indicating about the option 4, right? Hence our answer should be what? Option 4. Hope you understood it. That's all. Thank you.